chop, chop. Cut something into pieces with repeated. He is chopping the onion. Slice, slice. Cut something from a large portion into a thin piece. Tom is slicing the cucumber. Fry, fry. Cook food in hot fat or oil, typically in a shallow pan. He fry eggs in the morning for breakfast. Pour, pour. Especially of a liquid, flow rapidly in a steady stream. Pour noodles in the milk. Taste, taste. Experience the flavor of something, especially food. He tastes the food. Boil, boil. The temperature at which a liquid bubbles and turns to vapor. This is a boiling water. Peel, peel. Remove the outer covering or skin from a fruit, vegetable, etc. He is peeling an apple. Grill, grill. Cook something using a grill. Grill the fish for about 5 minutes. Grater, grater. Reduce something, especially food, to small by using grater. She is roughly grating the carrot. Roll, roll. Move in a particular direction by turning over and over on an axis. This is a rolling food.